How to create export shipment in Businet. Users can create export shipment where the custom invoice number will be auto-generated by the system. If required, the users can change the custom invoice number. After that, they need to select the custom invoice date and further need to select the customer name and the packing list. All the items will be auto-populated. After that, users need to add the transporter details like GR number, GR date, transporter name and vehicle number for generating the Part B of the e-way bill. Once the document is approved, users can generate the PDF print of the export shipment. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.